Hey guys, so welcome back. Here's how everything looks after I fold it all, put it all inside one of these packing blocks, and as you can see, I have Mi Mochilita ready, so this can go inside. And here we go, putting it inside. It's obviously gonna be a little tight because I'm taking clothes for, look at that. I'm taking clothes for 10 days on this case. I'm taking clothes for 10 days to Portugal. Okay. Snap. Let's look at the other one. And this, I might need two hands to be able to snap it, but you get the point. So now, once I snap that, I'm going to fold. This is the extra clothing block that I'm taking, and I'm gonna put it here. So as the clothes gets dirty, I switch it from one to the other. And I close this, and there's gonna be everything there inside Mi Mochilita. Now I'm gonna show you another video on what I take on my trips, on every single trip, what I take for my use as I'm there. And what I just show you is the amount of clothes that I take for 10 days. It varies if I go for a weekend getaway, but what I'm going to show you, I'll take it every single trip. So that way, you know, I'm always prepared for if something were to happen. So I'll show you next.